For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
With COVID-19 cases spiking every day, film shooting is unlikely to resume soon. Film bodies have written to the centre asking for its intervention in helping the industry tide through the crisis. Experts have estimated the Indian film industry will lose an estimated 2,500 crore rupees, with theatres expected to reopen only by August. The Indian film industry is staring at a loss of 400 crore rupees every weekend when cinema halls remain shut and shoots are halted, experts estimated. The COVID-19 outbreak has hit the industry hard, and with shoots cancelled, release dates pushed, filmmakers are worried that even after the situation improves, there will be a clutter of films ready to be released, but getting dates will be an issue. The Federation of Western India Cine Employees, that represents associations covering 32 different crafts of the workers and technicians of the media and entertainment industry, wrote to Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. The media and entertainment industry is among the highest revenue generating industries and plays an important role in the Indian economy. It is very sad that the industry has been overlooked by the government. We have sent numerous correspondences to the PM and Information and Broadcasting Ministry for providing aid to hundreds of workers and technicians associated with the industry who are categorized as daily wage earners but have not received any help from the government. TV and web show shoots are not likely to start till the end of June or first week of July, and daily wage earners, spot boys, stuntmen, makeup artists, lightmen and more who have been out of work since lockdown are the worst hit. The Producers Guild of India, actors such as Amitabh Bachchan and Salman Khan, and production houses such as Yash Raj Films have donated towards COVID relief fund to provide monetary aid to 35,000 film crew members and a month's ration essentials. However, the industry is vast and the daily wage workers count is huge. Many are yet to get any relief. President of Federation of Western India Cine Employees said discussions to resume work has been going on with government officials, but it is not likely that shooting will begin soon. The idea that shooting can be done in green zones will never work, as people in those areas will never allow that. More than 150 serials and 100 web series are being made. Taking everyone to green zones is not feasible. The condition in Mumbai is getting worse. We have a huge section that depends on daily wages, and many of them have physical disability. The producers in Mumbai have asked permission from the Maharashtra government for permission to conduct indoor shoots and also resume post-production work so that they can release on time once lockdown is eased. If permissions are given to carry out such post-production activities of these projects, which can be done in closed studios with minimum workforce, it would be a great relief to the producers who have invested a lot. Post-production work includes activities such as editing, dubbing, sound recording, music recording, special or visual effects can begin. The Information and Broadcasting Ministry started talks with film bodies recently and is exploring options of having a common SOP for shooting across states. Tamil Nadu, Telangana and Karnataka have started limited shooting activities since last week under strict guidelines which include no shooting of wedding scenes, designated seating areas with 6 feet distance between them, compulsory use of 3-layered medical masks by all professionals, contactless temperature checks of the unit every morning, presence of doctors and nurses on set for 3 months since resumption of shoots are among the other guidelines being followed.